Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on experience with the HP DesignJet T1600 PostScript inkjet large format printer, a game changer for professionals and businesses alike. With its impressive 36-inch print width and color capabilities, this printer is set to revolutionize the way you work and create. One of the key features that really caught my attention is how it keeps your teams working productively with its compact and quiet design. I mean, who doesn't love a printer that doesn't disrupt the entire office with its noise? But that's not all. The HP DesignJet T1600 also offers radically simple solutions and the easiest PDF printing, making it incredibly easy to get the right results. Imagine being able to print complex documents and projects with just a few clicks, without having to worry about the technicalities. And with the HP Smart app, you can easily print and share jobs from your mobile devices, giving you the freedom to work from anywhere. This level of convenience and flexibility is a total winner in my book. Another aspect that truly impressed me is how this printer helps you progress your work at every project stage. With the fastest print speed and integrated automatic print stacking, you can meet even the tightest deadlines with confidence. And when it comes to displaying the finest details, from lines to bold colors, the unique Adobe PDF Print Engine delivers exceptional results. I've seen firsthand how this printer can bring designs and projects to life with its vibrant colors and precise lines, making it perfect for architects, engineers, and graphic designers. Whether you're working on a small project or a large-scale campaign, the HP DesignJet T1600 has the power and precision to help you achieve your goals. But what really sets this printer apart is its emphasis on security. As the world's most secure large format printer, it provides the best network protection, giving you complete control over who accesses the printer and confidential documents. In today's digital age, security is more important than ever, and HP has clearly prioritized this with the DesignJet T1600. You can rest assured that your sensitive information is safe, and you can keep your fleet secure at any time. This level of security is not just a feature, it's a necessity for any business or professional looking to protect their assets. In conclusion, the HP DesignJet T1600 PostScript inkjet large format printer is an absolute powerhouse that is set to transform the way you work and create. With its compact design, simple solutions, fast print speed, and emphasis on security, it's the perfect tool for anyone looking to take their projects to the next level. If you're interested in learning more or getting your hands on this incredible printer, find the link in the description below. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your workflow and unlock your full potential. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.